fresh Freestars original here for the DJ YardSale Presents. And I thought to myself, well, we need a fresh one. We need something because we're in the midst of the impeachment proceedings. And I thought, well, then let's do a song about impeachment. And I kind of think a hooker-esque blues stomp kind of a thing is the way to go. But we need to cover we need to set people up on the history of the impeachment.
Absolutely. Yeah.
So let's go from here where we are now, and then delve back, and then come back forward, and it'll all be good. And I hope our low-down, dirty impeachment blues isn't too dirty for you in its tone, because that's some dirty-ass tone right there.
Whoa, hold on, dude.
You got that? Okay, start. Prosecution good to go. On that phone call to Mr. Zelensky, Donald Trump commented. I gotta get that right. Workshop. It's just a killer line. You can edit this.
Oh, absolutely.
On that phone call to Mr. Zelensky, Donald Trump. Okay, one more time. On that phone call to Mr. Zelensky, Donald Trump attempted bribery. On that phone call to Mr. Zelensky, Donald Trump attempted bribery. Enough to impeach a president. Lord, it's a situation heaven sent. I said it's enough to impeach a president. It's a situation heaven sent. Now, I will tell you later why it's heaven sent, but it's the ideal scenario. Well, let's go back in time to 1868, if you will.
Let's do it! Was president, he was the first to face impeachment. He got to stay in office by just one vote. It was a shame that wasn't all she wrote. He took over after Abraham Lincoln was shot, and a corrupt southern bigot we got. Set the stage for a century of old Jim Crow. His time in office was a real shite show. Nixon was never impeached, though it kind of feels like it was so. But after tapes came out proving the president's guilt, even Republicans said, you've gotta go. He resigned, but the GOP He stayed so sore they wanted payback on a Democrat. So they impeached Bill Clinton for his tawdry affair. Thankfully their effort fell quite flat. Got the low down dirty impeachment blues, serious as got the low down dirty impeachment blues, serious as and the nation will follow the whole process to see if Trump finally pays his dues. Sooner or later, 'cause he's got no excuse. His presidential power he has abused, and we know what procedure to use. Low down dirty impeachment blues, serious as
We got a whistleblower in the house.
that's what I'm talking about.
Woo! Right on!